Only 80 steps away from this large parkland, I have the perfect home for you. This stunning home has the perfect design of a family-friendly atmosphere with ultra-modern features throughout. Welcome to number 24 Bayford Street, Birkdale. High cathedral ceilings throughout the living area. An ultra-modern kitchen. You have 4 bedrooms. Study, 2 brand new bathrooms, 2 living areas. Massive rear deck overlooking private grounds, all set on 825 square metre block of land. The lifestyle this property offers is just as important as the location itself.